The pictures you just saw, you've probably seen them in different places, no doubt. But do you really know their purpose? Do you really know why they are stationed in those places? The blue actually represents something that you should take note of. Yes, one problem in our society is that people do not take note of simple signages. They do not take note of simple labelings. They don't take note of color codings. You can ask yourself, why are there different color codes on these baskets that I'm seeing in this tourist center or in this business place or in this company? Though some companies have even more color codings added to these ones. Some companies can include red, can include yellow, as the case may be. But these three are the most common in so many organizations. So for the blue, it actually represents recyclables. Yes, recyclable materials like your plastics. And when I mean plastic, your mineral bottle, which is your soft drink, your water bottle, the cellophane, your biscuit wrappings, and what have you. It also includes paper and cans. These are all recyclable materials. So whenever you go out and see the blue, see the green station, see the black station, and you have a recyclable, a plastic, try to dump it inside the blue. Yes, don't dump it inside the green one. Then for the green basket, this is basically for the organic waste and food waste. So imagine you came to a tourist center or an organization that has these three waste buckets stationed in a particular place. What do you do after eating? Your food remains. Take your time. It doesn't take you up to 30 seconds. Take your time to segregate the waste. Trash the food remains inside of the green. Yes. Then take the plastic and put it where it belongs, which is the blue waste bin bucket. Then for the black, is basically for non-recyclable materials. When I mean non-recyclable, your electrical waste, your medical waste, and other items which are non-recyclable. These ones, in fact, are tagged as hazardous waste. It can be hazardous to your health, it can be hazardous to the environment. So you dump them there so that when the waste management organizations come, they pick it and look for the best way to dispose them. Waste segregation is actually something very important. It helps recyclables to remain clean and usable again, and also reduces the stress of the recycling company to make out something valuable from your waste. Imagine one wrong item in a bin can actually spoil an entire batch of recyclables. Yes, recyclable companies have written to our organizations to handle this issue several times, and we've gotten different kind of complaints about waste segregation. But I choose to talk about it today because I see it's something very common even in our homes. Most of us don't practice waste segregation. Mama kitchen, in the kitchen, will buy water leaf, buy watermelon, buy vegetable, different types, and cut it. After cutting, she will dump all of them in one plastic bag. Now, the biscuits waterproofs inside the same bag, your mineral bottle inside the same bag, your fresh water bottle inside the same bag, and off she takes it to the waste bin man, and the waste bin man takes it to the waste recycling people. They find it difficult to sort this waste, but if you start it from your home, it will be easier for the man in the recycling company to recycle this waste and produce something very valuable for you and I to reuse again. Waste sorting isn't something very difficult. It only takes discipline and awareness. So today I am bringing this awareness to you. And again, I'm bringing this awareness to you. And again, you see this picture, wherever you see this symbol, know that it means recyclable. It's something that can be recycled. You see these pictures on these signages, on the biscuit papers, you see it on different kind of waterproofs that are designed, you see it on the water bottle, even in some plastic chairs. Yes, it shows that these items can be recycled again. Even in some of your shoes that are made of recyclable materials that can be recycled again. You see this sign, this triangular sign, it shows that it can be recycled. You see, the other one is going out against the other one is going against the other, just like that. So it can be recycled. So whenever you see this, don't ignore it. Know that, wow, this is something that can be recycled again, and you try to segregate it from the non-recyclables from the organic waste and put it separate, so that when the waste bin company comes, it will be easier for them to take it to their recycling plant and recycle and produce something valuable for you and I to reuse. By so doing, we can actually be able to maintain a very clean and properly waste managed environment. A clean planet for us is achievable through collective efforts.